Namaskara, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ವೆಲ್ಕಮ್ ಎವ್ರಿವನ್ ಟು ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಕನ್ನಡ ವಾಣಿ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್. And this is a rhymes time. I hope you have watched all the previous rhymes and you have learned the words and new sentences from that one. If not sentence, the words at least. So today's rhyme is Puri Puri Kadale Puri. So Kadale Puri andre no, Kadale Puri is a puffed rice. I'll leave the picture also, and you have the picture in the thumbnail. You might have seen what is a puffed rice. Yes, it will be very crispy and we eat with an masala haki tintivi. We eat with the churmuri, bel puri, everything, right? So that is a plain one is called kadle puri. Okay, so that is what we are learning today. Let's start today's rhymes. Puri puri kadale puri. It's not a puri, it's a puri. Okay na? Puri puri kadale puri. Puri puri kadale puri. How it will be? It will be crispy. So crispy ke we say in Kannada garam. Okay, it's not a busy, it's a garam, is a kind of crispy. Garam garam kadale puri, garam garam kadale puri, yella banni, everyone come, tegedu tinni, take it and eat, garam garam kadale puri, ಕಾಸಿಗೊಂದು ಸೇರು ಪುರಿ, ಕಾಸಿಗೊಂದು ಸೇರು ಪುರಿ, ಕಾಸಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಸೇರು ಪುರಿ. ಸೇರು is a measurement, ಏನಂತಾರೆ measurement bowl basically. Okay, so we measure in that and that is called as a seru, which will be of this height, and it is in a cylinder shape. So that is called as a seru. So if you give one kasu, so earlier days, so this is a very old poem, okay, na old rhymes. So they have told for a kasu. So one kasu kotte you will get a one ser puri. So nowadays we won't get for that cheap. It will be either 15 or 20 rupees, I guess. Okay na? So kaasigondu seru puri, ಒಂದು ಸೇರು ಪುರಿ. So we'll repeat once again. ಪುರಿ ಪುರಿ ಕಡಲೆ ಪುರಿ, ಗರಂ ಗರಂ ಕಡಲೆ ಪುರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ ತೆಗೆದು ತಿನ್ನಿ, ಗರಂ ಗರಂ ಕಡಲೆ ಪುರಿ, ಕಾಸಿಗೊಂದು ಸೇರು ಪುರಿ. We'll repeat. ಪುರಿ ಪುರಿ ಕಡಲೆ ಪುರಿ, ಗರಂ ಗರಂ ಕಡಲೆ ಪುರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಬನ್ನಿ ತೆಗೆದು ತಿನ್ನಿ, ಗರಂ ಗರಂ ಕಡಲೆ ಪುರಿ, ಕಾಸಿಗೊಂದು ಸೇರು ಪುರಿ. So I hope you have enjoyed this and learned the words and sentences. And children, you can make a video of this and say it faster. Make a video of this and send it to me. Okay na? So I'm so happy about this. If you have very no doubt in there, or if you want any other poems or songs, please do let me know in the comment section or write a mail to yashaswikannadavaani@gmail.com. I'll see you soon with one more rhymes tomorrow. Thank you so much. Namaskara. Dhanyawada. From Yashaswi Kannada Vaani, there are many e-books that is being launched, even for children as well as adults. So for adults, the Spoken Kannada ebook part 1 is being launched, and the link for this is mentioned in the description box. Please go check it out the description box and purchase the book. The one specialty thing of this book is in a colloquial version, and this is the one and only book and the first book which is available in the market which is in a colloquial version, just not in a written version. Make use of this book, along with also follow my Instagram page to get the spoken Kannada lessons for the adults. I hope this will be very useful for you, and the book is in a very affordable price. And for children, there are storybook level 1, level 2, vocabulary book, and the tense book is been there. Please make use of these ebooks. Again, link for all these books is been mentioned in the description box. Please go check out the description box and make use of these books. These books will help your children to make the sentence structures in a proper way, improves their language fluency, improves their vocabulary in a language, and actually it will bring too much of interest to them in Kannada learning. So make use of these books for your children. And there are workshops which is available in the YouTube itself in a playlist named Workshop 1 and Workshop 2. If your child is really struggling with the basics like a Varnamale, Kagunita, Vattakshura, Arkavali, words, make use of these workshop. Link for these workshop is mentioned in the description box. Please make sure you will go to the description box and use all these links. Workshop is a free of cost. It is available in the YouTube itself, and all the ebooks it will be, you have to pay and use those books. There is a sample copy for everything. You can just look into the sample copy and you can purchase. Like maadi, share maadi, subscribe maadi. So knowledge will gain only by sharing the knowledge. So children, if you have learned something, teach to your friends also, and this will help you in your gaining the knowledge. So thank you so much, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, subscribe ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Click on the notification So that click on the bell link so that you will get notified as and when I upload the videos. Thank you so much. I'll meet you all ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಧನ್ಯವಾದ.